Hi, we are live. Hello, lovely people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever part of the world you're tuning in. Welcome to another segment of My Business Chronicles, where I feature my business partners all around the world with their digital businesses journey. And as you know, I'm Fen. I'm showing up to you from here live in Victoria, Australia. A mom of two lovely girls, a wife, an early childhood educator, and I'm humbled to be a part of a community of digital business owners. So this morning, I have a very special guest, my business partner from Alberta, Canada. And yes, she's Coach Glenda. I'm going to invite her on the stage. Hello, Coach. Welcome here.
Hello, everyone. So I hope it's also a sunny day on your end. So here in Alberta, we're summertime, so the weather is pretty good. So how are you there, Fan?
Doing good, Coach. It's getting colder these days because we're
Oh yeah, we have
approaching
an
winter.
opposite.
Yeah, winter days.
Oh yeah. Okay, two different parts of the world, right?
True.
All
Yeah.
right. So
The
hello,
power of
everyone, again.
connection.
I know that's the power of like online. That's why we're here. So, um, as Fan said, my name is Glenda. I'm from Alberta, Canada, and I'm a mom of three. I'm a wife as well, and originally, of course, from the Philippines, Quezon City, Philippines. And um, our family migrated here in Canada back in 2015, and now I'm a proud digital business owner. I used to work in food and retail industry for 25 years. And of course, coming to Canada in a new country, there's a lot of like different bops, ups and downs. But right now, I'm super happy and proud for where I am now as an online digital business. I'm a stay-at-home mom right now and just doing this business full time.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's truly inspiring. Thank you for that introduction, Coach. So,
No.
ang first question ka is, you have mentioned na 25 years ka nagwo-work sa retail. And then, it must be like a huge leap itong ginawa mo na pag-build mo ng sarili mong online business. So, what was your turning point? And then you realize na, or you told yourself that I'm ready to try something new.
Yeah, so yeah, you're right. It's really a huge leap of faith. Of
Mm,
course, coming to Canada from the Philippines, where I already like I left a career behind, which is I already work hard for it and establish. So from moving after I graduated college, so moving from one career to the other, until such time that my last post in the Philippines is I was a retail manager for Levi's brand in SM Supermalls. So, of course, coming to Canada and starting over from scratch. So, I know you can resonate, and a lot of
yeah.
us here, a lot of immigrants can resonate with us that it's really not easy to start over, right? I know you will agree with that.
Yes,
So,
yes.
there's really like it's like you are picking yourself again from ground
Mm-hmm.
zero and you need to prove yourself again. And yet, of course, starting over in a new country, of course, there's hope that things would get better. That's why we migrated, right? Especially for our kids. But hindi natin may iwasan, di ba? Maraming mga expenses living in a new country, especially for us as a family
Mm-hmm.
of five. So, we didn't expect na talagang growing, kumbaga, our debts will pile up like in a short period of time. So, that's my one of my turning point actually. So, I realized na we are we migrated to Canada just to give a better future for our kids, pero it's like we are like high and by kaming mag-asawa kasi you need to work hard really sometimes 2 to 3 jobs in order for like to make like make ends meet, right? Because there's a lot of bills.
Mm.
And seeing my kids, that kids we're growing so fast, and there's a lot of moments that we really missed as a family, especially we're like an LDR sa husband ko for a long 6 years.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
and then pagdating dito sa Canada, para lang kaming nag-hide and seek, busy
Mm.
busy yung mga bata sa school, busy kami both mag-asawa sa work. So parang sabi ko, parang hindi ito yung life na we dream of nung nasa Pinas pa tayo as a family moving to a new country. Kaya na-realize ko na I really want more, and I know we deserve more as a family, not just by paying bills and surviving. So I long for like yung freedom and really presence, as yung presence mo as a family. Kaya that's when God opened my eyes when I saw this business opportunity actually on social media, on my news feed. So wala akong experience before nung nakita ko to. And though I'm a graduate of BSBA marketing, pero hindi ko alam
Mm.
wala akong background about digital marketing or attraction marketing, just like this business. But I had that strong gut feeling na this is it. This is the business, or this is the new beginning that I prayed for. And I said yes to it.
Oh, yeah, that's right. So most of us in the community, that's what we have realized, di ba, Coach? Yung ako din,
Mm.
I think it's just recently na figure out ko yung tunay na meaning ng we're making a living instead of making a life, di
That's
ba?
true.
So as you have mentioned, yung it's the same thing with me na half of my life nagwo-work ako, same thing ng husband ko, though we started our family early, pero
Mm-hmm.
it's because we wanted the best for our kids, for our daughters. So yun lang yung parang nakikita namin that time na way
Yeah.
namin to give that to our daughters.
Mm-hmm.
And then hanggang
That's
hanggang doon sa makapag-migrate, lalo nang naging madami yung kailangang bayaran, mga bills, ganun. And then another thing is we have to support our family back in the Philippines.
yeah.
So paano paano naman magkakasya ang lahat, 'di ba? So I'm very grateful too that I have found this digital business and I'm really working hard on it and I'm confident that it also give me what I am aspiring for. So
Mm-hmm.
yes, I'm so blessed to have this as well. So connected to or related to what you have answered me earlier, Coach. So nagmamanage ka ng it's well known na brand, it's Levi's.
Mm-hmm.
And then to building a business from home. So how did you find the courage to believe in a new path? Especially when everything felt uncertain. Hindi natin yan maiiwasan, di ba?
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Um, to be honest, I'm not that courageous when I started at first,
Mm.
right? Especially it's something new and it's online, riba? So most likely, parang marami sa atin, alam natin pag online, so there's a lot of scam out there, right?
Mm.
So we need to be like careful, and of course, there's a lot of doubt. Pero and I was also scared starting this business. And pero nandun yung mas scared ako na to stay stuck. So
Mm-mm.
I really wanted more. So what gave me the courage is my why, which is my family. So I just kept reminding myself, kung nagagawa ko ngang mag-work hard for someone else's
Mm.
dream, like an employee, right? So why not building mine? So there's all I always pray. I always lean to God every single day, praying na to give me more strength and resilience to move forward, of course. And kumbaga, I just surrounded myself with my mentors in the business, of course, and our leaders, and surrounded with people like you, right? So
Yeah.
mga like-minded
Mm.
individuals na who support us, or also have that positive mindset that we can all reach our goals and journey in the business. So Hindi ko naman alam lahat nung nag-start ako, of course, kasi I don't have a background for it. Pero I really said yes kasi alam ko na, kumbaga nakita ko yung potential ng business natin na they really pay well, and we have that passive income when we reach a certain point in our business that hindi siya kayang ibigay ng any company na kahit mag-work man ako ng 20 plus years dito sa Canada, that certain amount nobody can afford. Talagang when I saw this business back in 2018, I never look back kasi dati mahilig din ako sa mga direct selling business. So kahit nasa Pinas pa ako, so
Yeah.
mahilig din talaga ako. Mag-risk taker ako. I really like do extra income. Pero when I saw this business opportunity, like I stopped and really, I'm so thankful to God that I found this business kasi wala ako nakitang like nothing compares with our business model.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And ako din, like being introvert, ang nagustuhan ko nung nakita ko yung business opportunity, sabi, you don't have to bug your friends.
Yeah.
You don't have to recruit para lang makakuha ka ng business partner mo. Sabi ko, wow, this is something that I really want to find out kung paano siya
Mhm.
gawin. And yun nga, nakita ko yung difference ng, yeah, we are not really selling, but we are marketing. Yeah, we're
Mhm.
doing it with purpose. Those right people na makakita yung value ng ginagawa natin, sila actually yung magja-jump in and magiging curious
Mhm.
about what we are doing. So that those people are also yung mga serious talaga, and they have this why talaga din para babago din yung life nila. So it's really valuable and nothing compares, as you have said. Yeah.
Yeah.
So since you've started this business coach back in 2018, so what has been the most rewarding part of creating a life where you no longer have to choose between, yeah, work and family, which is, yeah, very inspirational.
Okay. So where do I begin? There's a lot of things actually. But the most rewarding part is really like the time freedom and having like a peaceful life. So it's like waking up without rushing, and then I can take control of my time, whatever like I want to do in my day. So walang magpo-poke sa'yo na boss or something or deadlines. So wala kang ganyan. And then I get to cook for my family every single day. So kahit maghapon ako nasa kitchen, I still have my business in the background. And yung yung makipagkwentuhan ka sa mga kids mo, sa family, and then seeing their highs and lows, yung just being present with your family is really like one thing. So it really means a lot, especially as a mom, as a parent. And hindi lang yung, kasi before I used to trade time like for money. So I used like work. So pagdating dito, I really, kumbaga, this business also reminds me of like kung ano talaga yung what we really deserve, right? In life, hindi lang dapat siya puro work, dapat you really have time for your family. So yun yung mga moments na talagang super rewarding siya, and parang feeling mo as a mom, it's a fulfilling thing. So hindi ka lang basta nabubuhay because you
Yeah.
also like you really, I mean, hindi ka lang basta nag-exist, you are living a
Mm-mm.
life.
Mm-mm.
And ang kagandahan pa is I'm earning from home. So, 'di ba, kahit nasa bahay tayo, we are earning. I get to attend any of our appointments, yung sa mga anak ko, sa asawa ko anytime na hindi ko kailangan mag-seek ng permission from my boss. And yung at the same time, I am able to help other people then to reach their goals and their dreams in life. So, yun yung isang maganda din doon kasi parang I think that's my purpose then. to
Yes,
share
yes.
it with other people, to help with other people, yung mga katulad natin na talaga nagsusumikap pero minsan na i-ignore natin or napapabayaan na natin yung health minsan dahil sa dami ng bills na binabayaran or kailangan natin talagang mag-earn, magkaroon ng 2 to 3 jobs, hindi na natin naiisip yung importance which is our health and our family. Kaya with this business, kumbaga, wala kang kailangan i-sacrifice. So, one of the other. It's not just a business. It's truly a blessing for me and my family.
Okay, it's more on being clear sa mga values natin.
Correct.
Values na sa family, value sa sarili natin because yeah, we'll getting even healthier kasi you don't have
Mm-hmm.
to rush and then spend much more time at work and then
Yeah.
it doesn't really serve the purpose. And then that's one more important thing as well that you have not only me as well that I have found my purpose is to tulungan yung mga
Yeah.
tao na willing din makita ang value ng ginagawa natin.
Mm-hmm.
And thank you for that. So the last thing, coach, is how are you going to or what are your encouraging words for those people na they're still they're still thinking na kaya ko bang gawin to? But they really wanted to do it. But they are
Mm-hmm.
still doubting themselves, they're skeptical, and they are scared. So how are you going to encourage them?
Yeah. Actually, ang masasabi ko lang is God's timing is always perfect. So if you are feeling stuck or uncertain, so tandaan nyo lang na maybe na ito na yung breakthrough or your breakthrough might be just be like you're one yes away on your breakthrough. So nag-start kami just like you. Now we have a lot of doubts,
Mm.
skepticism. Actually, yung husband ko is skeptical then when I started the business. So it's really normal kasi we're just human. We are just like careful for kung ano man yung pinapasok natin. But there's no harm in trying. So hindi mo rin malalaman what if ito na talaga yung answer sa prayer na hinihiling mo. This is the breakthrough that you're like finding for years. So why not check on it. And actually, so with our business opportunity, once you watch the webinar, so you have the opportunity to check our business fully. We have you can like be part of the community and pay our membership one-time membership fee. And then if you think this business is not for you, then our one-time fee is refundable. So it's really up to you. Like one brave yes away might be the key. So I encourage everyone to check on this business opportunity, especially if you are parents, if you are like, kumbaga, you want time freedom. Actually, this is the best part, like the freedom that you can get and spend more time with your family while you are earning from home or anywhere.
Right, there you have it. Yes, lovely people. Thank you so much for tuning in. As what Coach Glinda said, you are just one brave yes away from your breakthrough. So if you have questions, if you want to learn more about what we're doing, you can drop your comments in there or you can reach me out as well. And also Coach Glenda if you've resonated on her story as well. So we'll see you on our next segment. Thank you so much. Thanks, Coach.
Yay! Bye everyone.
Enjoy the
Thank you,
rest
Sis
of the
Fan.
day.
You
See ya.
too.